Most people think wealth starts when you become rich. But for most people, the real switch happens much earlier, around $20,000. Not because $20,000 makes you rich, it does not, but because it changes what money can do for you. When you have $2,000 saved, money feels fragile. One car repair can wipe it out. One dental bill can hurt. One missed paycheck can create panic. At that level, money is not building your future. It is just protecting you from the next emergency. But when you reach $20,000, something changes. You finally have enough cash to breathe, enough stability to think, and enough capital to start making decisions from strength instead of fear. That is the first real wealth switch. Here is the math nobody feels at first. $20,000 invested at an 8% annual return can create about $1,600 per year. That is roughly $133 per month. Not enough to quit your job, but enough to prove something powerful. Your money can now earn money without you trading more hours. This is where most people mess up. The moment they get a real cushion, they upgrade their life. Better car, better apartment, better phone, better restaurants. And suddenly, the money that was supposed to become freedom becomes a nicer version of the same trap. Wealth builders do the opposite. They do not treat $20,000 like permission to spend. They treat it like the first employee they ever hired. That money has one job: bring back more money. If you keep adding $500 a month, your first $20,000 does not stay $20,000 for long. It becomes the base of a machine. The first dollars feel slow. Then the machine starts helping. Then the machine starts pulling weight. That is why the first milestone matters so much. But if you break the machine too early, you start over. Every upgrade steals future momentum. Every unnecessary payment makes the machine smaller. Every lifestyle jump delays the moment when money finally starts working harder than you. So the rule is simple. When you hit your first $20,000, do not celebrate by spending it. Separate it. Protect it. Invest part of it. Keep part of it liquid. And let it become the foundation of your next $100,000. Because wealth does not begin when you become a millionaire. It begins when your money stops being just a safety net and starts becoming a worker. That is the $20,000 switch. WealthFrame. Invest smarter. Grow faster.